Magandang oras mga kababayan, mga ka-Golden Boy. Meron tayong bagong video dito. Presko na presko, press conference ni PBBM sa Malacanang, kurtesi sa atin ng RTBM TV through the ENC Digital Channel. Ito ang pahayag niya tungkol sa paglipad ni Rodrigo Duterte papuntang Hong Kong at galing Hong Kong ay papunta naman ng The Hague, Netherlands para sa kanyang trial doon sa ICC. At narito ang video courtesy sa atin ng ANC Digital TV and RTV Malacanang. Ating panoorin.
Bringing you the President's announcement live from Malacanang. Let's listen in.
Rodrigo Roa Duterte took off at 11:03 p.m. this evening and exited Philippine airspace. The plane is en route to The Hague in the Netherlands, allowing the former president to face charges of crimes against humanity in relation to his bloody war on drugs. The former president was earlier placed in government custody at Villamor Air Base after his common-law wife, Hanilet Avancenia, and members of his entourage arrived at 9:20 this morning from Hong Kong on Cathay Pacific flight number CX-907. Mr. Duterte was arrested in compliance with our commitments to Interpol. Hours before his arrival, Interpol Manila received an official copy of the ICC warrant. This prompted the Prosecutor General of the Department of Justice to serve the warrant. Interpol asked for help, and we obliged because we have commitments to the Interpol which we have to fulfill. If we don't do that, they will no longer help us with other cases involving Filipino fugitives abroad. This is what the international community expects of us as the leader of a democratic country that is part of the community of nations. So I'm sure that the details that surround this what has happened today are familiar to you. I just wanted to make very, very clear and give you the facts from the departure of former President Duterte from the Philippines. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Maraming salamat RTVM Malacanang para sa courtesy video, at ako'y mag-iwan ngayon ng kasabihan sa Biblia, Matthew chapter 13 verse 18 to 19. You shall not murder, huwag kang pumatay. You shall not commit adultery. You shall not steal. You shall not give false testimony. Honor your father and your mother, and love your neighbor as you love yourself. At ang lahat ng ito ay nakagawa yata ni Digong. Kaya ito, ang lahat ay may katapusan. At hindi lang sa batas ng lupa si Digong nagkasala, pati na rin sa batas ng Diyos. Kaya yan ang ating dapat unawain. Mayroong kaparusahan ang mga kasalanan sa mata, sa batas ng Diyos at sa batas ng tao. Hanggang sa muli mga kababayan, mga ka-Golden Boy. Ako'y magpaalam na, at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel para palagi kayong updated. God bless the Philippines!